here we see a wild Tremsz in his natural habitat, stalking the porch looking for ammunition and food, specifically beef jerky. And there's the rascal doggo. E-bear doggo. Jumping single-handed.
What do you think I'm doing right now?
Oh, sick, red light. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the actual part that is Redneck Enterprise, where it's more than one person. We got my man Trevor behind the camera. We're actually at
Adios.
We're just playing around with some guns, doing range day stuff. Got the Moist Nuggets little sun out here. I already plugged up this. Oh, sights are clear. But we're going to do a mag dump one-handed. Should I do the gangster lean on it too?
No.
Oh? No?
No.
Okay.
It's raining.
They didn't forecast rain today.
I'll load it when I get up there though this time.
Trevor's crazy. He likes to climb perches with sharp objects and loaded firearms. Except this time he's smart. He didn't load the firearm this time. Is it unsafe too?
Oh.
It might kill someone if it's not unsafe.
I don't care what about other people really.
Are you just gonna keep the bayonet out the whole time? It's essentially a muzzle brake when we really think about it. So what are you shooting at? Splitting some more ice or what?
I'm gonna shoot my log again.
Oh, that little stick right yonder?
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
Oh.
Whenever you're ready, mate.
I know.
Whoa! Direct hit.
I didn't break it.
You're either hitting it or like directly beside it, but it's hard to see if it even made contact. I didn't see any new fresh patches of barklessness, so I don't think you hit it.
I put a crack in there, I know that much.
Well, you must have hit like right beside it at least, but I don't think you actually hit it here. I'll take. You can just jump down with my firearm. That's sweet too.
You said I can visit the one you took disrespect.
Yeah, I never.
At the same time. So.
No, I'm giving Trevor shit, and like literally 30 seconds ago, I stabbed it into the ground, just like threw it behind me and stabbed it. Trevor, can you give us a demonstration as to what I did? I'm
not really sure what you did, but if you did, I don't want to do it. I'm not nice to him.
Oh.
But essentially, it ended up like this.
Yeah,
So.
almost exactly like that, except about 30 yards, no, a couple yards that way. And the sight got full of muck too. So which one are we playing with next? Sergi or Sarge?
I'm just loading this stupid thing back.
Loading the stripper clips? Dude, there's like 3 stripper clips ready to go.
I know, but...
Oh, you got too much respect is your problem. Trevor is trying to birth canal the fucking SKS because he didn't know that they had a special toolkit that was in the stock meant specifically for maintaining these things out in the field. And now he's trying to probe it like a fucking alien. No, dude, you could like, it goes out into like here. It goes pretty deep.
Yeah,
you could lose a pen.
I almost got my finger stuck.
It's a Chinese finger trap. Yeah, I can't get very deep. I'm too wide. They got too much girth. Chinese women are too tight. Yeah. But no, yeah, this is a Chinese one. 153. Yeah, 10532. I'm guessing that's the number of weapon built, and then there's 56. You can't really see it because of the sun, but it's 56 stamped in there, and I'm assuming that's when the gun was built, 1956, and that's the number produced by the factory it was in. And another weird thing on the SKS is you look here, and the sight is, well, the rear sight is adjustable for elevation, and they go by hundreds of meters, so that's 100, 200, 300, but they got it all the way up to 1,000 meters. Who the fuck is making shots at a kilometer with irons? I don't want to know that guy.
People.
I don't want to know that guy because he'd put any amount of shooting I can do to shame.
Yeah, no, neither of us can suck.
You're not bad. Like, you can fucking hit that dueling marker tingy pretty good with the 22. I can't hit fuck all without a scope. And even with a scope, I can't hit a whole bunch. I have problems putting toonies at 100 with a 9x scope. So, I'm not exactly a sniper. I'm just here to have fun and shoot a lot of guns and burn a lot of ammo. That's it.
We're good at that part, though.
Yeah, no, really good. All right, so here's Trevor. He's got my little semi-automatic 1022 Ruger. Very fun little gun.
Freaking thing. It only sometimes.
Stovepipe. Point it down. Like point the gun to the.
Pick that one up. There's one down there somewhere. I don't know where it went, but. Right there it is.
You found it? There you go.
It.
Find it?
I find it.
It's a find. There you go.
it.
Now just rock the mag forward and just fucking unload, dude. Another stovepipe.
I find it.
At least we almost never lose a round, is the thing. We're not very wasteful of ammunition.
It's too expensive to lose it.
Even 22. Another stovepipe. Remember me saying that this is supposed to be a highly reliable little gun?
There.
Oh, there you go. You're good.
Oh, come on, that's mean. Okay, I only got 2 left. I better hit those 2 now.
Yeah, you better.
Yeah, I probably won't.
Nah, probably not. I'd like to give you fake confidence, but I don't want to lie to my best friend.
Thanks. Okay.
Holy shit!
I actually did it.
Give this man a scholarship to a shooting college or some shit, if that exists. This is my SR22 rifle. Now, a lot of people get confused when I say SR22 because Ruger had a pistol called the SR22 as well. But this is the rifle platform. It's essentially just a 1022 Classic with a aluminum milled receiver, a synthetic stock, and a barrel guard on it. That's it. Oh, and that reflex sight. That came with it. Besides the fact that this gun is old as hell and I probably put nearly 500,000 rounds through it, it's held up pretty good, but the thing wants to fucking fall apart all the time. Like, the pistol grip, before I like really tightened it and threw some C's compound on there, you could rock that thing 1/2 degree back and forth and it was annoying. You can still do it to a certain extent. But yeah, no. Between that and the fact that the mag rocks so much in the well, it's pretty terrible. Trevor doesn't like it anymore.
No, I've cussed it out I don't know how many different times. Look, cussing it out.
Yeah.
Deej knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah, no, the first time I introduced Trevor to the gun, he fucking hated it. And then he put a mag through it and it ran seamlessly. And I was like, dang, Trevor likes this gun. And he liked the gun. And then he put another mag through it and a jam after every shot.
But troubles, and I hated it ever since, but I still like the frickin' thing.
Anytime it's under 15 degrees Celsius outside, the recoil springs just like, I don't exist. So you almost have to manually cycle the gun to get it to do anything. Even the SKS is like that sometimes, but that's only when it's like -40.